What? Oh, okay. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Where are you from? Oh, you are? Oh, okay, nice. I was just in Greece for like a month. I saw you. I thought you were maybe Greek. But I guess not. I'm disappointed. But no.
Did you have fun?
Oh, it was beautiful. You've been?
Yeah, sure.
I didn't go to the islands though. I just was in Athens. Athens the whole time. Yeah.
Nice.
How long have you been here in the city?
On and off, maybe like 5 years.
Oh, okay. Nice. You just come and go as you...
I do. I used to live in LA before.
Okay.
For a while, for like 8 years.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
LA's beautiful, but I grew up, do you know Ohio?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like a lot of foreigners maybe don't know the states in the middle as much.
Yeah.
But so I feel like I'm an East Coast guy.
Cool.
Yeah.
You like it here?
I like it here more than like LA and stuff.
I know.
Yeah.
I get it.
Do you date a lot here in the city? Are you married? You
Wanna ask me out?
I would love to take you on a date sometime. I'm shockingly, yeah, I think you're very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
So yeah. What's your name? Aaron, hello.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. Let me get your phone number.
Sure.
You got an American number?
Yeah.
Okay, hell yeah.
I live here, at least for now. I'm not sure.
Where would life take you if it wasn't here?
I would like to go to the UK because I've never been.
Oh, okay. Not even for like a trip? You've never been?
Yeah, not even that.
I
You can call me. Yes.
could you spell your name for me?
Sure.
Okay, hold on. Let me get back to it.
Do you live here?
I do. I live in the West Village. Okay, so this is me. And what's your name? Spell it. Oh, okay. That was easy. That's like how I would have tried it.
Yeah.
I just sent you the heart.
Oh, thank you.
But
You're sweet.
I've been here for like a year and a half.
Nice.
So yeah, it's good, right? You like the city?
I do.
Yeah.
I like it.
What are you up to right now?
Just walking, but I need to buy something, and I think I'm gonna go home.
Oh, okay. Nice. What are you gonna buy? You need some new clothes or something?
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
Just don't worry about it.
Okay. no questions. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, I'll write you, and maybe maybe we could go grab a drink or something.
Sure.
What's today? Monday?
Yes.
Are you free tomorrow evening?
Tomorrow. Monday. Is it Monday tomorrow?
Today's Monday.
Oh shit.
You're losing track of your life, Yana.
No, I never know. 'Cause I'm a freelancer, so
Okay.
I don't, and I'm self-employed, so I don't really have like 9
Keep
to 5.
track. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
No, I'm sorry, not tomorrow, and not
Okay.
Wednesday, but Thursday, Friday, and any other day.
The weekend might get a little insane, so let's lock it in. Like we'll do like a blood oath Thursday night.
Sure.
Okay, great. Okay, perfect. If you really cut your hand into a blood oath, I would have been
Yeah, I'm not
a little
gonna do
shocked.
that.
Yeah, you're so pretty.
I'm not gonna thank you. You too. Aaron.
Kiss on the cheek. Why have your eyes always been like so perfect, or
What does that mean?
like they're just piercing blue? The whole time I've been looking at you, I've just been thinking like, my mom always tells me that I have to procreate with somebody with blue eyes
Wow.
to keep them in the family, like
That's-
eugenics situation.
All right.
So, yeah. Okay, well, enjoy your day.
You too.
Should we kiss or?
Maybe you'll meet some more girls and get some more numbers.
Forehead.
Because I think that's what you're up to.
Well.
Oh, come on, Aaron.
I mean, look,
See you.
every once in a while,
See you, Aaron.
if I see a pretty girl, I gotta say what's up, and you know.
Okay, I need a drink.
Oh, okay. Okay, bye.
Have a good day.
Okay.
All right. Bye, Aaron.
I'll write you. See ya.